In today's episode, we will recognize the sticker contest winners.
Revisit the pep assembly and student staff basketball game.
We'll see what's happening at Jacket Swarm.
And ask students how early is too early to decorate for Christmas.
I'm Paul.
And I'm Emma.
This is JNN.
A show with interesting topics.
And even more interesting people.
This year, Miss Griffiths held a sticker contest. This was their first year doing this, and there were over 30 entries.
In my classroom, we have a lot of stickers. We give out stickers to all the students pretty much every day, and they really like them, so I thought it'd be fun if they could do their own stickers. This is the first year we did it, although we've done other competitions in the past. The kids did a really good job. They tried really hard, and hopefully next year we'll have even more of a turnout. And the 3 winners, they got their stickers turned into actual stickers. So they were being printed, and they'll be delivered next week.
My favorite part was probably just thinking of ideas and just using my imagination.
Designing, thinking of a design.
Honestly, it's the best I could have done. I never win in competitions, but this is the best one I've ever done.
I feel good. It was definitely challenging, I guess, but I feel good about it.
For JNN, I'm Ray Shelton.
Congratulations to the winners of Miss Griffiths' sticker contest.
We have some really talented artists here at LMS.
Let's take a look at the winter sports pep assembly and the student versus staff basketball game.
Watch me do it again. Tell 'em I can't take no loss. My team hold no L's, no. Aiming for the top, can't make it by myself. I ain't taking no loss. I ain't taking no loss. Look, I'm always win. I ain't taking no loss. Look, I'm always win. And I'ma do it again. Watch me win. Then watch me do it again. Tell 'em I can't take no loss. My team hold no L's, no. Aiming for the top, can't make it by myself. I ain't taking no loss. I ain't taking no loss. Look, I'ma always win.
That looks like a great time.
Congratulations to the staff on their complete and utter domination. Wait, did Mr. Hutton write that?
Anyway, let's check in with Miles and see what's happening in Jacket Swarm.
Jacket Swarm is an after-school program where students can pursue their interests for an extra hour and a half of school time.
This year compared to last year, we have a bunch of new classes. The way we log in, we use QR codes now so that students can get their grades checked and logged in and doing their fun club a little bit quicker. Educationally, all of our classes offer tutoring, but if students' grades are struggling, they can always go to the math or the ELA and work on missing assignments, study, getting ready for a test prep, or make-up tests also. For the future, we have some new clubs coming up for maybe 2025. If not, they'll start the next school year. We have a bunch of field trips and some good fun things planned.
With JNN, I'm Miles Armstrong.
Wow, Swarm seems to be having fun at this holly jolly time.
Speaking of Christmas, how early is too early to decorate for Christmas?
Let's see what students have to say.
Today in Ole Miss, we asked students how early is too early to decorate for Christmas. Here's what they had to say.
Before Thanksgiving.
Probably like right after Thanksgiving. Like Halloween. That's way too early. Or before Halloween. November.
Like the day before Thanksgiving.
The weekend after Thanksgiving.
After Thanksgiving.
I'd say June. June? Yeah.
For JNN, I'm AJ Fisher.
Well, I guess most students like to have the Christmas spirit after Thanksgiving.
What do you think, Paul?
I think you should only decorate for Christmas in December.
Actually, you decorate before Thanksgiving. That's it for today's episode. Until next time.
Keep reaching for the stars.
And chicken sandwiches.